Namaskar, good morning friends. Welcome you in our YouTube channel Mukesh the Only IS. India Nepal relation. The today's topic in IR update. Recently, you can see the news in the newspaper about the Kalapani disputed area. So we have to discuss. This is very relevant to our UPSC exam for PT or mains or IR also. Dear friends, the Nepal, yes, the Nepal, a most neighboring country in the north territory, in the north border of India. India Nepal were engaged a partnership relation since last 3 decades. There was no dispute regarding the border, but recently the dispute emerged called Kala Pani disputed area. Let's see its historic emergence about the disputed area. You you will listen the dispute over Kalapani, the dispute over Kalapani, the dispute over Kalapani, which lies on the on the on the eastern corner of Uttarakhand, Pithogarh district between Nepal and India was revived political map showing the newly created Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir Ladakh since last 5 August of 2019 when India revoked the 370 article number 370 and issue a new political map in September 2019. Then is the what is the issue now between these two countries? India initiate newly a Darchula Lipulek Pass link road within Indian territory, but Nepal claims at least 17 kilometers of it lies on its land. Under the pressure by civil society and the opposition, the Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli issued a new political map of Nepal which claimed that the Lipiadhura of Nepal is under the Nepal territory, Nepal border, and also he commented that on Bharat, the Bharat is that is India is not obeying its basic philosophy that is Satyamev Jayate, even it's obeying Singh Mein Jayate. This is very typical comment on India from Kathmandu. Also, the Mahakali Nadi is the Mahakali Nadi. Yes, the Mahakali Nadi. You can see here the Mahakali Nadi is border between India and Nepal. So this is so relevant to our exams. Also, now the issue is why Kalapani is significant for us. Why the Kalapani is strategically important for India. The Kalapani, a high mountain, a high mountain Lipu Lake is a strategic interest to New Delhi, that is Raisana Hill. The pass is situated, that is the Lipu Lake Pass is situated at lowest 11,980 feet and highest to 20,280 feet. It helps it helps India track Chinese movement into Indian territory in the Indian region. Kalapani significance is also importance centuries old for its location on the trade and pilgrims to Tibet. So Kalapani is important strategically as well as both pragmatically. Also, it is important about trade and linkage of pilgrims route between between New Delhi to Tibet. So this is the basic issue between India Nepal disputed area, that is called Kalapani disputed area, Lipu Lake Pass, and Darchula. So the key points for UPSC relevant exams is the Lipu Lake Pass. Yes, where is the geographical position of Lipu Lake Park, the geographical importance of Lipu Lake Pass, and the Darchula area, where is it located. This is basic question in our UPSC PT exams, more relevant. Also it is relevant on IR optional paper. Then this is, let's see, the India Nepal relation is very good relationship between two neighboring countries. They are friends and partner strategically and as well as pragmatically. But India Nepal border dispute is new addition in the engagement of between New Delhi and the Kathmandu. So a new historic change between India Nepal relation called Kalapani disputed area is added in the chapter of Nepal India relationship. So this is the new which must be know for your exams, which is relevant. So thank you friends, thank you so much. Let's keep watching and share, like. Okay, thank you.